Hello everyone. Christy Etheridge here, the Oilist. All right, so today we're going to talk about wild orange. I love this smell. Like when I take this off, and it's really interesting how joyful this smell or this aroma it just makes me feel so happy whenever I smell it. And it seems that way with anyone that I share this with. Like most of the citrus essential oils are actually monoterpenes in the chemistry world, which means that they're very uplifting and invigorating when we smell them. But I just love it. If you can imagine wild orange and what it smells like, I want you to think of what it's like to peel like a really super fresh orange. And that smell when you peel that orange is actually the scent that you're going to get with the essential oils. And typically when we pull that rind off of the the orange, obviously we eat the flesh inside, but the rind itself is where our citrus essential oils come from. So when we zest citrus, that's actually we're getting some of that essential oil in there. So super fragrant, very aromatic, very powerful essential oils come from the rind of our citrus. But let's talk about wild orange. Wild orange main chemical component that makes up this amazing essential oil is D-limonene, but it also has some beta carotene and citral in it. Now, D-limonene across the board, if you have any citrus that has D-limonene in it, you're going to think of antibacterial, antiseptic, okay? And they're very stimulating. So those are really across the board chemical components of any of our citrus or any of our essential oils that have limonene in it, okay? So we're going to use wild orange for increasing our energy. So let's say, for example, you're feeling that afternoon slump. You can just open up the top and smell it. If that's all you have, you can put it inside a diffuser, put 3 or 4 drops. You could actually even mix it with peppermint, which is going to give you a really big boost in terms of energy. Or you can just add 1 to 3 drops inside, I would say about a 12 to 16 ounce glass of water. Now, you certainly want to make sure that anytime you use essential oils internally, they are certified pure therapeutic grade like doTERRA, okay? Because doTERRA essential oils test 100% pure 100% of the time. That is really, really important when it comes to choosing quality essential oils. But doTERRA does us a favor and they put a supplementation fact on the bottle when we can use them internally. If it doesn't have a supplementation fact, it is not safe to take internally at all. And as a side note, kids under the age of 7, we do not encourage using essential oils internally, okay? You would want to just use them topically or aromatically with them. So you can, as a above the age of 7 bracket, you can put 1 to 3 drops in your water. Now make sure that you're only putting it in ceramic, aluminum, or glass. We don't want the bottle on to break down like in our plastic or our styrofoams. You can also just inhale it. It certainly can be put together with several different diffusers to help enhance the mood. If you're feeling anxious or feeling having feelings of depression, you can certainly inhale this just from your cupped hands, guys. Literally either smelling or putting directly into your hand just like so. It's a very, very easy way to use essential oils. So just rub it together and then just take some nice big deep breaths. I'm telling you, it's just such an amazing, and I love to put it just right there as well. Or sometimes I'll scrunch it into my hair. Now I will say as a side note for safety, essential oils like our citrus are what we call photosensitive. So all of that I just put on my neck, if I went outside into the sun, I could actually enhance some the skin could burn in those areas. So you want to be careful that when you do put any citrus on your neck or those photosensitive essential oils, that you're just not putting it in areas that are going to be exposed to the sun immediately after. So if you're going to make any lotions or rubs that have our citrus essential oils in it, you want to make sure you're only applying them to areas that aren't going to touch the sun for the next 12 hours. Okay, so just a little safety note and fun fact. Interestingly enough about wild orange, it actually does have a combination of a stimulant if you need that energy upburst, but it's also a sedative. And it's very interesting that essential oils can work in so many different ways. But what I like to think about wild orange is that it gives you that focused um, ability. So maybe you have a problem sleeping at night because you can't stop scattering your brain. You just have a ton of thoughts in your brain. Well, wild orange helps you really stop that scattered. And so if that's the reason why you have problems sleeping, it's a really great addition to your sleep blends. I love having wild orange into my sleep blend, whether or not it's diffused, mixed with lavender and vetiver, or it's in a topical application like I use, mixed with a multitude of different essential oils to help me go to sleep at night. You can also add this. Essential oils can be used in cooking. For example, today we made blueberry muffins and we put a couple of drops of wild orange in to enhance the flavor. You can also put it in icings and cookies and smoothies. So those are certainly fun ways to include into your recipes. So I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please subscribe to the Oil List and share this video with your friends and family that you think will need essential oils in your life. Now, down below in the comments, there is a link for you to follow if you're interested in learning more about essential oils and getting doTERRA essential oils into your life, which is the only brand that I trust for myself. Do not buy essential oils from Groupon. Please do not buy essential oils from Amazon. There are no wellness advocates that are allowed to sell on Amazon. And please do not get your essential oils from the dollar store. Okay? Please only use quality, certified pure therapeutic grade essential oils for you and your family. doTERRA. Bye.